What is up? What is up? We are back at it again. So, checking out Bitcoin. Bitcoin hit all-time highs once again today. We ended up getting it to 76,500. God, what a day. What a day. We're having a bit of a breather after this rip-roaring rally. What would be really nice to see on the daily if we can come back down and test previous all-time high as support? That would be phenomenal. Yo, what's up, Max? How you doing? How you doing? Great time to be in the markets. Great time. So on our daily, we are not overbought yet. Stochastic's pointing straight up. This thing looks fan-frickin-tastic. We still have a hard target all the way up to 114,000. Yep, 115,000. I don't know what this is. Let's get rid of that. 115K is our hard target based off the bull flag here. So Bitcoin still has a lot of room to run. Yo, what's up, Ethan? How you doing today? Anyways, let's dive into the lower time frames because we are having a little bit of a cool off period. I don't look at the 12-hour. What the heck? All right, 4-hour time frame. 4-hour does look a little scary. You have a high here, high on your relative strength. Higher high, lower relative strength. We have a bit of hidden bearish divergence, basically showing we could have a pullback, would be completely normal, simply because we did break our highs and less strength. That's a problem. Noted, your MACD is not showing any bearish divergence, so maybe the pullback will be short-lived, which would be really nice. Pull on back, right? Just pull on back. It's okay, buddy. Yo, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? Let's go on down to the 1 hour. Your 1 hour looks like it's trying to reset, but you do have hidden bearish divergence here as well, and you can see the bearish convergence on the MACD. Much less buying pressure on this second move up, showing we could be having a sustained pullback for the moment. All right, nothing crazy. Relax. Right now we do have a new demand line on Bitcoin, so we can go right here and here. That is our current demand line. Let's get down to the 15-minute. 15 minutes kind of just bleeding out. I don't like this line very much anymore. Some weird wicks, but whatever. We're going with it. There's news tomorrow. Could cut rate. They're going to cut rates. Sadly, it's implied it's only going to be a 25 basis point. I think it should be more, but you know what? I don't make the decisions. Whatever. We're just going to watch more job loss. It's fine. Trump will be in there soon enough. All right, checking out the 5-minute for Bitcoin. 5-minute on Bitcoin. A lot left to be desired. What if 50? If we get 50, we're going to see it's going to be like rocket fuel for the markets. It's going to be absolutely insane. So it should, in my opinion, be a minimum of 50. But, you know, the Fed is out here not caring about job numbers suddenly. So we'll see. We'll see. But the implication is that they're going to go 25. They really should go like 50, 75, even a full 100. Like, they should do that. When you have a bad jobs report and your previous 3 jobs reports get revised down, there's no reason not to aggressively cut because something's wrong. It doesn't look good. Jerome might be trying to save his job. The only way he's going to save his job is if he cuts faster. That's the only way. Because Trump, he doesn't like high rates. He really doesn't. That's why he's more than once called up Jerome Powell and was like, what the hell are you doing? You know, freaking out. But, hey, it's up to him. ETH flying. Yeah, I was like, wow, ETH broke out. Surprising to see that. Cody, when ETH pump? Already pumping. Already going. Already doing it. We're going to look at ETH pretty soon here, so just let me finish charting out the corn. So, looks like Bitcoin already made its leg down, almost done with the move. So, we're going to see what happens when Bitcoin gets down here to 74,692. You can see it wicked up here, but got to my little zone. I love this little green zone. I've been killing it with the trades. because of this little green zone. I love it. I love it. This green zone's amazing. And it's been high leverage. I've been feeling a little dirty, which is nice. It's been a while since that happened. Anyways, so Bitcoin right now does look like it's going through its pullback. We could see prices come all the way back down to 73,797. Would not be surprising at all. It's just a little cool off period considering it has been going crazy. A little consolidation would be nice. We'll see what Asia has in store for us. Let's go ahead and drop on out to BNB token, because BNB, it is having a good day too. Back above resistance. Nice little back test though. So there's a chance it could fall, but you did break this demand line once again. So I'm more inclined to just get rid of this supply line and focus in on the demand line. So I am still looking for $841, new all-time highs for BNB. Everything is showing that you could get there. Currently above local resistance, which is fantastic to see. Let's check this out. New supply line could be respected. We'll see. Tons of room to run up on the relative strength. Our stochastic RSI looking good. Let's check the 4 hour. So this is different. You can see you have a double top situation on BNB for the 4 hour. You see a top here, hit the exact same level coming down, but you have higher relative strength this time. I don't think that's a good thing. Could be pulling back, coming down for a back test before it goes up, but we're gonna wait and see. Anyways, I'm still thinking 841 and beyond. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, BNB's looking pretty okay. Pretty okay. You're overbought on the 1 hour, so once again, looking for that pullback, seeing where you find support. 15 wants to run. Okay, I think this is going to be the theme of the night. 15-minute wanting to get a little froggy. Could be cool. Could be cool. Let's go ahead and check out Dogecoin. The myth, I was trading the hell out of Dogecoin. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. I was trading the absolute hell out of Dogecoin. But, yeah, so Dogecoin was putting in a supply line, lost supply line, but the cool thing is you broke back above. Now it looks like you're finding a lot of support right here. Might be time to get back into Dogecoin. Let's go up to the 1 hour. 1 hour. Oh, you're still a little overextended off of your 50 simple. That's disappointing. Let's check out your 4 hours. See how crazy this looks. Your 4 hours trying to reset right now. This is wild. Pimosa, yo, what is up? How you doing? How you doing? But Dogecoin looking quite interesting to me. 15-minute. It looks like it's trying to rally. It's just this 200 needs to get a bit closer. So if we could find some tight moving averages, it would give me a lot more confidence. So it seems like the markets are a little more indecisive. There's a bit of profit taking. They're kind of like, are we going to keep going up? Are we cooling off? What are we doing? And especially with an FOMC meeting tomorrow, there's going to be some people who are going to be like, we got to watch out. Ugh, hate those people. Anyways, let's check out Ethereum. The myth, the legend, the craziness. So, going out to the daily. I mentioned this in the Discord when it happened. I was like, wow, ETH broke out. You can see the breakout here. You also broke above 2713. Either way, measured move now. We're looking to not only get up to 3280, but we could very well see 3351. Let's go, baby. I'm in a short on CAS right at the double top. Pretty ballsy, Crash. Pretty ballsy shorting anything at the moment. We'll check that out once we get there. We'll check it out. But Ethereum on the daily, you have tons of room to run. You still are below the 200 daily moving average. So in the meantime, I'm thinking we're going to rally up to 2,956 simply to test the 200. It's the only large cap that can't do anything. It's just been getting toasted. But now that Trump's elected, Gary Gensler's probably fired. So Ethereum, all thoughts about Ethereum FUD gone. They're instantly wiped away. So Ethereum has a chance to breathe. Things are about to get exciting. Things are about to get crazy. Things are going to get crazy. All right, going down to Solana. Where you at, Sol? Solana. I said it so many times. I'm gonna say it again, loud and proud. We're aiming for 225. Damn it. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. Hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow. Because holy crap, it's like Groundhog's Day out here. Every single time Solana sees its shadow, it goes back into its hole for another 6 weeks. Like, good God. Solana looks good. You're still not overbought. Your stochastic's pointing straight up. Daily's looking pretty solid. Your 4 hour, what the hell? Not even trying to retrace. It's just uptrending. It's like, we're gonna get there, damn it. This looks crazy. I've actually never seen this before. That's kind of wild. So the 1 hour, it is showing hidden bearish divergence, obviously, but it did reset its stochastic. Maybe it gets that final little leg up. I will say, when things look like this, they usually just keep trending and chugging along until it starts hitting those short squeezes. Then it just shoots up. So we're waiting on markup for Solana, but target right now, it's still 225. Still 225. Get above that, 260 is the target. You have a 19% move possible for Solana. We'll see if we get a pullback first. From the looks of it, pullback might not happen just yet. Oh, maybe that's why. Your 15-minute is ready to go. Holy shit. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? That's crazy. All right, let's go ahead and check out Kaspa. Oh, wait, before we do that, liquidation map. Let's check it out. The heat map. Where are the liquidations? Looks like the longs are starting to build up. That's a problem. We still have some people trying to short up here. 64 million sitting at 76,700. I'm thoroughly confused why they would feel comfortable shorting Bitcoin at this moment in price discovery. That's really shocking. Yeah, that's 76,755. That's really the main block of liquidity here, and not very many longs that we have to worry about. Yeah, we do have some high amounts of liquidity down here, but dang, that's kind of crazy. All right, so that's what we see there. Let's go on up to Kaspa. Because they probably shorted the highs, but yeah, and made money. Yeah, probably. Probably. What do you mean a double top? What? Let's go up to the 4. Alright, so I did put this fib retracement up here because it matters. So far, Kaspa has gotten a bounce and it hit its 236. Now it's trying to find some form of support. So now we're waiting for that higher low just for the trend reversal. I'm on the 15-minute. All right, I'm going to get down there. Don't you worry. They're taking a chance, I guess. They definitely are taking a chance. Sheesh. You did have this downtrend right here. You broke out. You back tested. Now it looks like you're testing the next demand line. You're finding a bit of resistance, but you are not oversold on the 4 hour or overbought on the 4 hour. So this thing can rally. Be careful in your short. Going down to the 1 hour. Your 1 hour is trying to reset while uptrending. Keep that in mind. But currently you are setting a lower high. Your relative strength is still. You are uptrending and you are resetting fast. So, once again, be careful. Going to the 15-minute. Your 15-minute has... Cast looks like it wants to run up on the 15-minute. Honestly, it looks like it wants to run up. You made hardly any move to the downside. Fully reset your stochastic. You're in neutral territory. Your MACD is 1 bar away from starting to show any type of positive momentum. So, yeah, I just... Be careful, because also, this is rounded. That means it's a reaccumulation before a continuation to the upside. Be careful out there. Be careful. If you break this demand line right here that I'm drawing, well, this price could very easily start moving up to 14.3545. Very easily. Just boop, right there. And that would be coinciding with your next fib level, But also keep in mind, a common retrace is what most people are looking at, where you're going to get somewhere between the 50 and the 618. From where I drew this out, that was a 60% rise. CAS has been moving pretty good off of that so far. I would expect it to continue. I don't think shorting right now is a really good play at this moment in time, just because you're more or less looking for small dips to get back into longs, or add to your long because people are in the buy the dip phase. So be careful with your shorts. Hopefully it pays off. Just saying, keep that stop loss tight, because if it turns around on you, you're getting stopped out fast. Like really fast. All right, now then, we're going to start dancing around some of these coins. I'm going to try and get into a couple trades live with you guys. I just want to find something that has plenty of volume right now. So I think what I'm going to try actually is with Ethereum. Surprisingly, I know. I don't trade Ethereum often, but I can do that with very high leverage because there's plenty of money in there. Bitcoin Cash, we can check out Bitcoin Cash real quick also. I do like trading Bitcoin Cash, so let's check it out. Bitcoin Cash literally at a resistance level. If you manage to reset quickly, I don't like a buy on ETH. Of course not. That's why we're just looking to trade it, man. Looking to trade it. You want to check out AVAX? Got you covered. But alright, so Bitcoin Cash. Let's go out to the daily real fast. So Bitcoin Cash is actually in a really interesting spot. You're pretty much neutral territory on your relative strength on the daily. Stochastic just started pointing up. You had a great breakout here. Let's clean up this chart a little bit. Let's clean up. You had a breakout of the demand line. You shot out of there like a cannon. Absolutely insane. But now you're at overhead resistance and the 200 daily moving average. That's why you're seeing the selling pressure at this moment. If we hold above 361, or we reset before then, very quickly we should see price get all the way up to 450. Looks like our 4 hour does need to reset, so maybe we chop sideways here for a little bit. You're pretty high on your relative strength, but you are not overbought. Going down to your 1 hour, 1 hour is trying to reset right now after forming hidden bearish divergence. So once again, that's just leading to expect a bit of chop. Your 15 is the one that's trying to actually rally, but in 3 minutes, if this thing is below the 50, I would say look for shorts. Look for shorts, and you're expecting support all the way down here once again. You hit it once, maybe you can hit it twice. We shall see. But it looks pretty darn good. I would bring out a fib tool. It's not really useful until this thing bounces and tries going up again, setting a lower high. So we can't use that. Not yet. We have a demand line here. I'm not going to draw that out right now, because with this, I'm not going to trade this. But yeah, if we get down to 361 and we hold, great opportunity for going long. If we break above 379 and then we test it again and hold it, great chance for going long. As of right now, no man's land. You have conflicting indicators. This thing could go down a lot, could go down a little. You're not all the way sure. So be careful on Bitcoin Cash. That's all I'm seeing. Now let's go out to AVAX real fast. AVAX, all right, different story here with AVAX. Let's go out to your daily. So your daily on AVAX, you're getting out of the bearish control zone. You have gotten back above your 50 simple. You are above this 2712 level, which was acting as resistance back here. Support here, resistance, support, and resistance. Trying to get that breakout for today. Nice thing, you did have this sharp demand line down you broke out of. Fantastic. Now all we need to see, break above the 2814 convincingly and back test it as support. If you get a back test. And then we're looking for 3914. AVAX is sitting in a very interesting spot. Hopefully you can start getting the bids. Hopefully. 4 hour, a lot left to be desired. As soon as you started getting a little overbought, started pulling back. So, yeah, it's kind of a wait and see for AVAX. Wait and see what happens. Going to the 1 hour, 1 hour hidden bearish divergence. So, yeah, we just need to wait for the consolidation. That's about it. But, once again, if we could hold here, stay above it, reset all our indicators, then you have a chance at breaking 28.14. And if you hold above that, 39.14 is the target. Not a bad look, but you're in a weird spot at the moment. Very weird spot. All right, let's go ahead and check out Ethereum one more time. We're going to start diving into Ethereum a lot closer because I do want to trade it. And I think it might be time to go in on a small little short because it might be backtesting this 27.13. So let's go into all of our trend lines and all that nonsense. So we got that there. Go down the 5 minute. 5 minute. Oh shit, we got really low stochastic on the 5. God damn it. Makes it really hard. I don't think I can trade this right now. I gotta wait and see what happens. Damn it. Well, that's unfortunate. Too bad. So yeah, Ethereum, still can't do anything with it. It's kind of a shame. I needed to get away from this supply line, then go up and touch it again. That would be ideal. So we're going to look for something else. Damn it. Maybe FET's doing it? No. No, it's not. No, it's not. Oh, FTM. Well, FTM, you're no help. Because now you just look like you're about to go on a huge run up to 92 cents. Jerk. What about Floki? Huh. Oh. What's your 4 look like, Floki? Looks terrible. That 4 hour looks so bad. Oh my god. Yep, that is really where it's supposed to be. Okay. Okay. Got your demand line here. Jesus. Oh, finding a trade tonight I think is going to be hard. I think it's going to be really hard. Damn it. Tisk tisk. What about high time? Not really one I would take. Yeah, just looking around here. I think it's gonna have to fall onto a meme coin. So maybe we gotta go with Mother? I kinda like Mother. Not even gonna lie, I kinda like Mother. Get rid of that. That doesn't matter. Yep, I kind of like Mother for coming down to this level. Kind of like that. Great stop loss. Yeah, I might like this one. I just might. If I can find an entry. Oh shit, it gave it to me right there. God damn it. Shit. Shit. So this is what I'm looking for. See how it came up pretty much to your 618, then it continued down? That's what I'm looking for right now. The nice little pop up and then fall. I was looking at Mask earlier. Mask did the same thing. Now for Mask, we're looking for a backtest of the demand line, but move was all the way down here. Wait. Wait. Come here, Doge. What are you doing? Hold on. What are you doing, Doge? That got so high. Holy crap. But I would expect this thing to come down here. It's a 5% drop. How close are you to your... Oh. Alright, we're going to take the Doge trade. Yeah, we're going to go for Doge. I think Doge is ready for it. Let's check the 15, see what this thing looks like. It's pretty low. Oh boy. I don't know. So I would have to have my stop loss up here. 19,697. That's what I'd need. 2%. What do you guys think? 30x? 30? Yeah? For Doge? This little 30x action? Don't know why I did it for long. Need to do it for short. All right, we got the 30x short in. I need this price not to go above 19,697. 19,697. Alrighty. 19,697. And we're looking to take profit at 18.2. 18.2. 166%. Okay, let's see how this goes. Let's see how it goes. But yeah, I think it's a good time for a nice little cool off in the market. Go get some back tests, you know, because we were only looking for Dogecoin to break above 18,124. It would be very good if it can come down here, back test, while getting a back test of this demand line. That would be phenomenal. So if it does that, it also sets us up perfectly for a long. And when we go long on this bad boy, we could be looking at 28% upside. I like how this could set up. I do like it. But we'll see if it plays out. I know that 5-minute could really mess me up. This 5-minute time frame could really mess me up. So we'll see what happens. I don't really want to lose 60%, honestly. I don't. But I do like the setup. Probably should have waited for the stochastic to reset. However, you already broke your supply line. You got a very stiff demand line here. Very stiff. And you broke local support right here at 19,289. I just feel like you should just get down there and backtest. You know, that'd be fine. So right now I'm just betting that Bitcoin is not going to start turning up and hit more all-time highs. So we're going to see it. We're going to see if I get pooped on in here. We'll see if I get pooped on. And in reality right now in the 5-minute, if it goes up and tests its 50 simple, just pops up there for a second, I'm completely stopped out. And I'll be sad. I'll be like, no, they got me. So we shall see. It's like they know. It's like they know. Which also, I'm not asking for much. It's only a 5.6% drop. This thing was up like 28%. It's okay. Oh. So did everybody out there call up their Democratic friends? Make sure they're okay? Hopefully you guys checked on them. You don't have Democratic friends? Oh boy. Don't have. Dang. You know, that's true, because if you ended up mentioning you were a Republican, they all just stop being your friend, which is a shame. I don't think anybody should lose friends over political views. It's absolutely wild. Me either. Same, everyone. It's wild to me. You got these wild people just like, I hate you because of your political views. There's none really where I live. Okay, that's fair. That's fair. Any Democratic friends I have changed. Yeah, that happens. Yeah, that definitely happens. In the last 8 years, see, they just had a taste of that good life, which is funny to me because if you look at the Democratic Party from like 20 years ago or 30 years ago, the party was different, like really different. So I always love seeing the contrast in how they've changed over the years. Because like even Donald Trump mentioned he was a Democrat all the way until like the early '90s. I was like, would you look at that? Some friends that saw the picture. What, the assassination attempt picture? Joe Rogan was until now. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people were Democrat, and then all of a sudden they're like, "What is the Democratic Party doing? This is wild. I don't like this." Yeah, a lot of people flipped. A lot of people flipped. I mean, the only problem is it was like things got so bad. Democrats used to be the voice of reason back in the day. Yeah, so that's what it was. It was like they made a lot more sense, and now people are just stuck in that way of thinking. It's like, it's like, hold on. You need to see the writing on the wall. People change. They change. It's gotten out of hand. When you start fighting to have like guys competing in girls' sports or using women's bathrooms, you've gone a little too far. Let's pull it back a little bit. Oh, we need to allow kids to have sex change. Why? Why? Can't they make that decision as an adult? Isn't that fair? For them to go through the torture of puberty. The fuck? You want underdeveloped people? Nah, I don't think that's a good idea. Or even worse, because apparently your brain goes through a transformation during puberty as well. Ooh, trying to stop that? That's not good. That's not positive. What happened 2022? 20 million votes, my ass? Yeah, yeah. But that's the past. Now we need to look on to the future. Did you guys hear the crazy news? Yemen came out today and mentioned they're going to stop their war on US shipping. Also, Hamas is basically giving up on the war against Israel. I was like, that was so fast. Holy crap. That was so fast. But yeah, the announcements came out today, and I was like, geez, we get Ukraine, and Biden's gonna just take credit for it all. That's gonna be the worst part. Biden's gonna take credit for all of it when it's like, it was full force until they found out who got elected as president. Always does. Yeah, Biden really does like to take credit for things he never did and then pass off blame for things he did do. It's kind of a shame. It's like, golly, dude. 50 years of that? You really are a career politician. I mean, good for you. You lasted. All right, Dogecoin trade. We're currently down 13%, but I have hope. I have hope. Did you hear Putin said he would consider negotiations if Trump won too? Of course he would. Of course he would. That's because, Trump very blatantly would be like, "Yeah, Ukraine, you're not in NATO." Are we done here? That was the whole point. That was the whole reason of the war. Like, I feel like everyone forgot about that. All Putin wanted, don't have Ukraine join NATO. I don't want your missiles on my border. Okay? Missed the pump at work? Thirsty? You didn't miss a pump. You missed a reaction. The pump is coming. You missed a reaction. That's all you missed. The real pump, like this weekend, pay attention to your meme coins. Just pay attention to the meme coins. The degens will be out. I heard Gary Gensler about to be done too. Of course he is. He was the worst thing for crypto. He was the absolute worst thing for crypto. I mean, you want to know how crazy it is? As soon as Trump was elected, let's go look at Uniswap real fast. Let's just real quick. We talked about how Ethereum was breaking out and stuff. Nah, you guys need to look at the Uniswap chart. This thing is crazy. I'm on the 5-minute. Let me go out to the 4-hour real quick. Oh, I can't fit it on the screen. Let me zoom down. Look at that crap. Absolutely nuts. Went 40% today. Yeah, this thing went nuts. Like, holy shit. I mean, from bottom to top. Let's see. 47%. And that's all off the back of Gary Gensler not there. Well, I look at ton and not. Yeah, sure. Yeah. We got 80-ish, then back to 70, then pump. Yeah, something like that. There's always retest until there isn't. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Let's look at ton. I'm right here in the area. Let's go. Ton to True? True Fi's up 12% right now? What the fuck? Ton token. Wow. Ton token looks good. Oh shit. Ton looks really good. What in the world? So ton token, where it's sitting right now, is where you would be literally just going long. You're playing sandlot football. You're with the boys, and you're like, "Hey, bro, Hail Mary every play." This is what ton token's doing at the moment. You got to break out of this long-term demand line here, but you got into this beautiful pocket, this pocket of support and resistance, and you're at the bottom of it right now. Let's see what your 15 looks like, because I bet it looks gorgeous. Look at how low that stochastic has gotten. You're back into neutral territory pretty much. This thing looks really good for upside. So you're looking at the possibility of ton token going up a whopping 10%, possibly slightly higher, maybe 11.95, just to hit your next resistance. Ton token could do this tonight. I'm starting to regret being in a short with Doge because I would much rather be in a long on ton. This looks great. I love that you have 2 levels of support sitting right below you that you already tested once. If you fall below that on this low time frame, damn, that was the wrong thing to choose. On this low time frame, you would be looking to come down to 482.8. If you manage to get that 482.8, just put on your spacesuit because this thing's gonna go absolutely insane. But Ton Token looks extremely good. I like Ton Token. It's looking pretty sexy. Checking the daily real fast. Oh my god, it has not even started. Oh, that's just disgusting. What? Critical zone here. Oh my Lanta. Oh, this looks crazy. You just longed it? Thirsty. This is probably going to be your best long that you've chosen. If you break above that 542.9, that's where things get a little ridiculous. You're looking for 696 or 677. This looks good. This looks really, really good. I like Ton Token where it's at. I do. I do. All right, let's look at Not. Not. LMNOP. Not. There we are. All right, so Not Token looks like the ugly sister. What is this? ZWXDZ. Thank you so much for the follow over there on Twitch. How you doing today? Welcome in. Welcome in. Daily IC resistance 5.9. Hold on, we're going back to Ton real quick. You're talking about on the daily, you're seeing 5.9. What are you talking about? Talking about this 516, the wick high. Who cares? Those are the lows. You're going to be testing the highs. These are bullish conditions. Bloom +1 Cody. Wait, what? Too bad it only lets you do 20x. On Ton Token? You're joking, right? You're joking, right? On Ton? On Ton? Go to isolated. Okay. If we were to long it. No, you can go 200x. You're just on the wrong exchange, Thirsty. This is your fault. This is your fault, bro. 200x. Stop using the wrong exchange. Get the leverage you want. Gosh. Weeks. The link is popping up all over the place. All right. You're on the Ichimoku cloud. Got it. I meant Bloom +1 for the good call. Oh, boom. Got it. Got it. I can only 20x it on buy DeFi. Cody, sounds like you need a little weeks in your life. I need to set up an account on week. You guys, for real, brother? The link is popping up in the chat. Do that shit. What are we doing? I'll make an account Friday when you get paid. All right, sounds good. So yeah, as I said before, though, if Ton Token does fall down, losing its support where it's at, then you're looking for more support right here at $4.82.8. So if you do come down here, you're looking for a bounce because of these highs here and this chop right here. Looking to just catch that bounce and run. So looks pretty good. Let's go to Not Token. There you are. So yeah, Not Token, as I mentioned before, it kind of looks like the ugly sister. It's in a great buying area, but you have not confirmed your lows. That's really the problem with Not. You haven't confirmed a damn thing. So without confirmation, you're expecting it not to move that fast. You are expecting it to consolidate further. Just every time you trade, say this little mantra in your head. The first time, nobody knows. Second time, everybody knows. It's a very big deal when you can just get that down, because when everybody knows, number go up. If nobody knows, they're going to wait till everybody knows. Speculation the first time, second time is investing. Big difference. Alrighty. Just getting these levels out. Yo, kill me slowly. What's up? What's up? How you doing? Now, going into your daily. Going into the daily. You can see the demand line here. Nope, not what I wanted. I want that one. Yep, interacts really well with that. You're the reason why I invested into meme coins a little bit. That's funny. Thank you. They're paying off. Sweet. I love that they're paying off for you. But remember, meme coins are only a gamble. Don't put too much in there. Don't you get crazy with it. Alright, so on Not, you do have a current breakout, which is nice. Oh, wait, do you? No, you don't. Thank you. It's not over season for you, is it?
I don't know. I haven't tried it yet.
Okay.
Thank you. Mom made the rest, so I didn't eat it.
Okay. Love you. I have dinner! That's why I only put a little. I'm done after this. For his cycle. Nice. Alright, so yeah, it looks like you're trying to get a breakout. So this is one of the few ones where I would say you need a breakout and you need that back test. Nope, you did break out. Oh shit. So yeah, you're looking for the back test now. So you want this thing to hit, come up, maybe hit overhead resistance. Probably won't, because you do have this happening here. Let's go down to the 4 hour. Going down to your 4 hour, it does look like it wants to pull back a bit, so maybe it does. Maybe it pulls back like all day tomorrow. We don't know. But this is the current level you need to break above. So now you have this weird little area. It can bounce around. Once you hit it the second time, you're more than likely going to pop up here, maybe even break out, get a back test, and then it can run. So this is not as sitting in a pretty good place. I would just wait for a second test down here at this 5573 level. If you get that test, great, awesome. If you break this demand line here and get a back test, awesome, great, go for it. But till you see some form of double test in an area, you don't know that anything is confirmed support. So be careful on this one. Hopefully it goes well if you're already in the trade, but I would just say be careful. Be careful. Anyways, those are those two. Let's go back to the Doge short. Let's see if I'm losing my money or if I'm... Okay, it's going nowhere. It's doing nothing. So, damn it. Whoa. That was a reset. Holy shit. That 5-minute reset quick. Holy. All right, we are back in a good area. We're looking for 5% downside. Let's go, baby. Are we in the green? Are we in the green? Oh, we're down 3%. Gosh. 30x on the trade, people. Just keeping it 100 here. 30x short on Dogecoin. We are expecting the pullbacks tonight. Expecting the pullbacks. We're seeing a lot of red across the market. Oh, but yeah, I highly recommend everybody use Weeks. You get deposit bonuses. You also get like register for the daily wheel spin. If you have enough trading volume, you get these daily wheel spins. It's really cool. It also keeps track of your daily trading volume, which is even better. So like if we go into my Weeks trade, and noted, they only count the volume after you finish what's for dinner? I got some chicken, some green beans, and some noodles. So once you finish and execute your trades, it'll tally it up on whatever the higher volume is. These are my volumes for the day. So anybody out here who's like, oh, this guy doesn't really trade that much, I'm currently sitting on $169,382 on trading volume on Weeks. So y'all can kiss my ass. I had somebody come at me yesterday in the chat. It's because you're a shit trader. And then the market pulled back, and I did not get stopped out. So that guy can kick rocks. Yeah. Shithead. Anyways. Anywho, BTC, the biggest meme coin ever. What? I don't even know what you're talking about, bro. Excuse me? Excuse me? Are you calling? Oh no, we're down again? Doge catching some bids? Oh shit, I'm gonna get stopped out, aren't I? I'm gonna get stopped out, aren't I? Son of a bitch, man. Doge is being crazy tonight. Let's see if we hold resistance. That's a high stochastic suddenly. Oh, my only saving grace. Only saving grace. But yeah, we got some chicken, we got some noodles, we got some green beans. It's kind of always my dinner. If I'm ever like super late for stream, it's because I grilled steaks. I take my time grilling steaks. I really do. They're so good. Blackened swordfish on a bed of brown rice with 2 scoops of caviar on top. Who would eat that? That's crazy. What are my thoughts on SMC? I'll have to look.
I'm sorry I'm intruding, but could you take Autumn out?
What? Right now?
Well, she's acting like she's got the words and she went in the bathroom already.
Okay. We need like an 8 p.m. stream start time. I'm in California. It is 8. Get 99% trades profitable. Get wiped out by 1%. Yeah, that happens. That absolutely happens. All right, we're going to check out SMC real quick, and then I have to walk my dog because I swear, when dogs get old, they get the runs all the time. It's awful. You need to get better at risk management? Yeah. Everybody needs to be better at risk management. 10 for me, then you start. Oh, you're in Central. Got it. Alright, I'm going to do this real quick. What's SMC? Hold on. What? Jack? Is this a stock? Is it this? Summit midstream? It's midnight for you? Oh boy. No, smart money concepts. What the fuck? Is it a crypto?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm coming. Jesus. I swear, the impatience. Would you say crypto tends to gain a lot of volatility? Like around 8? 8, 9 o'clock, it usually does. Not a market. Wait, I have no idea what it is then. I have no idea what it is. So I've never heard of it. So I can't really chime in on it. I'm sorry. Alright guys, give me 5 minutes. I gotta go walk my dog. You can watch my Doge trade, and we'll see if I get stopped out or not when I get back. Hopefully not, but we'll see. Alright, I'll be right back. Be right back. Oh no! It's breaking out! Shit! That's too bad. I'm only down 21%? Wait, what? I feel like it would be higher, you know? That's not good. Let's go to the 15. Alright, let's see what I missed. If I get stopped out long ton, I probably would, actually. I don't like this breakout. This breakout makes me want to get out. So that's my whole thing. We have 2 minutes. If this thing doesn't get dragged back down under this level, I get out of my trade right away. I get right out of there because I don't like that. I'm in on it too. You think this is gonna dip chat? Oh, Seth, got you. The problem I have is if it does. Actually, hold on. We could be okay. It could just roll over. Come on over, buddy. Because guess what? You're high on that stochastic. That's my saving grace. Doge been strong. You're right. Doge has been strong. 1 million over equals the false signal world. What? I don't understand what that means. Cody, I'm in the dirty south on the east coast. Oh, gotcha. Okay, all right. Not a market. Jack. So, Jack, I don't understand what the SMC is. I don't really understand what it is, and didn't really explain it too well. Being honest, didn't explain it. Minute 32. I don't think it's coming back down. Damn. How high is this thing gonna go, though? How high is this gonna go? Coming up to the 382. To the moon! It could. That's kind of the problem. It could. Currently on the trade, we're down 32%. That is not a good look. Not a good look at all. I don't like that. What are these guys looking at? $1. Oh gosh, that would be so terrible. It's like, yeah, right where I went short, should have went long instead. Oh, that would suck. That would be the epitome of like, oh, I missed out. Oh man, it was 15-minute. So we could get like a back test and then a fall. Very possible. Did we? Wait. No, haven't done it yet. Let's see what this next candle does. Let's see if I can get a little bit of my money back if it pulls down. Let's see. Because noted, this is my nice little golden zone here. You're sitting in it. If you start coming back, I won't hold it against you, Doge. I won't hold it against you. You're not doing that at all. Alright, well, candle high, or candle breakout, confirmed candle breakout on this downtrend. Gotta get out of there. I just don't like how it created a lower low. Oh, yep, so I haven't closed it yet, obviously. It's this lower low that's throwing me off. Long it. There's no way in hell I'm longing this right now. There ain't no way in hell I'm going long after it's been pumping for like a day and a half. I ain't doing that. The main thing that keeps me in this trade right now is this high stochastic on the 5 hour or 5 minute. Sorry, on the 5-minute time frame. Because as this thing resets, it'll drag the price down again. Last time, way lower. This time, who knows? I got done charting and eating too. Lucky I'm still eating. I'm here with you guys though. I bet it'll drop. Oh, it'll probably drop as soon as I get out of the trade. As soon as I'm out of it. I'll wake up tomorrow. It'll be sitting down here in profit. Never should have gotten out of the trade. Yeah, that happens all the time. All the time. But this is just how you mitigate the losses. So it's... Yo, what's up, Rich? How you doing? It's all a part of that risk management, you know? This 20x leverage feels so slow. I'm used to higher. Interesting. I mean, it's still a good idea if you're trying to go long in a market that's been completely hot for the past 2 days. Usually it's a good idea to like lower the lever, even just not trade going into something like the FOMC meeting. Because tomorrow, we're expecting some tomfoolery in all the markets. Whipsaw patterns, just craziness. And yeah, it's always good. Some people, I already know, they're sitting on the sideline. They're like, well, we'll see what happens after the Fed's done, and I'll trade on Friday. And it's like, you know what? That might be a good plan for a lot of people. Might be a really good plan. But yeah, I'm seeing a absolute beautiful downward momentum here. The only problem is this and this. They're not really downtrending. But if this and this get connected, oh my gosh, that would be amazing. New downtrending level. That would be so great. High volatility before Fed talks. Then choppy market. I'm thinking, yeah, you're probably absolutely right. That always happens. Do I use my... Wait. I know I should sit it out, but I can't help it. True. Do you use your description a lot while trading / managing risks? What do you mean? Do you use your discretion a lot? I'm confused. Chillin'. I was sick yesterday. Woke up to 75k BTC. All your longs took. I took catching the falling knife in really good profits. I actually took 20% profits from them. Not bad, Rich. Not bad. You want to check out ICP? We can check out ICP, Cody. Oh, you son of a bitch, Doge. What are we doing? It does look like it's starting to turn around, though. Look at that. Let's get rid of this line. Let's see how this line works. New downtrend could have formed. Might have saved my trade. Holy crap. So Jack, I don't understand. Do I use my discretion a lot while trading / managing risks? I feel like I always have to. For example, would you exit a trade prematurely before it hits your stop loss while you are in loss? Oh yeah, definitely would. So like I said before, it was like I had that strong downtrend there and we broke out of it. normally speaking, if this stochastic isn't all the way at the top, I would be completely out of this trade. I wouldn't even care about it. I would just, oh, well, I missed that one. Too bad. It's this high stochastic that's keeping me in the trade right now, and the fact that you had a drop, consolidation, drop, this could just be another consolidation. If we can get this move down here, you're likely to continue down. Because you got all these weird moving averages and all these different time frames. So it's like, maybe this could be happening, maybe that could be happening. So, yes, I do occasionally, if it looks like, oh, I didn't catch the top, usually that's where I do it. If I think I'm catching the top, and it starts going up again, I'm like, whoop, get out of there. I don't know how high this thing can go. I'll get out of there. Right now for this one, even if it gets a back test on this 50 simple or the demand line, my stop loss is still higher. So it would literally have to turn around and make a higher high than previous high. So this stop loss should work. I'm more or less worried about a wick to the upside that would stop me out, and then it falls after. So that's why I like to find a demand line that usually works out and then trade off of it. But right now it's like we're getting information to then set up a trade. I'm just trading it live for you guys, where a lot of things can go wrong. A lot of things can go wrong. Do you ever use Elliott waves? I tried them a few times. I'm just really bad at drawing the points. I am really bad at drawing the points. So that method didn't really work out for me, so I just gave it up. I was like, you know what? I wish I was better. Still, more to learn. That's all it is. But I've seen some Elliott wave traders, and I'm like, God, they're like 100%. That's crazy. No wonder people talk about Elliott wave so much. I'm just not good with them. I'm just full transparency. I'm not that good with them. I swear to God, we get a higher low right here, or if we get a lower low and hidden bullish divergence on this, I'm going to lose my mind. I'm going to absolutely lose my mind. But yeah, we're currently down 27%. Not a great place to be on this trade. Not a great place at all. Let's check out ICP. I've been wasting too much time. Cody's sitting here patiently waiting. ICP. Which classes? No. Sorry. Alrighty. Coming out to the daily for ICP. Let me actually keep an eye on this Doge trade real quick. 113, 118. Okay, we're good. Wow, ICP actually looks pretty good. You got back into your consolidation range. That after a failure to break down. Hold on. ICP could look really good. Failures to break down come with really bad consequences. I'm guessing if you get above this 815 level, this thing's going to pump right on out of this. Hopefully you get a back test, but in reality, with that false bearish breakdown, if you are already in a long, I would really be thinking 1569 is coming for ICP. Because you not only broke down, you broke down out of the symmetrical triangle, you got a daily candle close below support, another close using it as resistance, a third close as resistance, and then it popped up in there. I think ICP is setting up for a very big move in the near future. So just for Sol, I have 3 longs, 5x, 6x from that and that. Hopefully we stay away from the stop loss. I mean, with that low of leverage, I think you're fine. Fuck, Doge, I gotta get out of it. God damn it. That's too bad. Doge is doing me dirty. Oh boy, even the second trend line can't even stay below it. With this high ass stochastic. That's craziness. So yeah, ICP, It's looking really good. It just needs to break a little bit of resistance. That's all it is. That's all it is. Just needs to break some resistance, and ICP will start flying. Currently on the 15. What are we looking at? Your 15-minute looks pretty good, possibly going for that break. You do have hidden bearish divergence, though. Keep that in mind, because you do have a high here, lower high. Maybe it already played out. Now we're getting the second set of hidden bearish divergence. So high, lower high. Who knows? Maybe you keep pulling back, or you just break out and go into Neverland. I think tomorrow is going to be the big deciding factor, though. Grass been pumping? What grass? Are you talking about like cannabis? Or what do you mean? Is that a crypto? We lost on this trade. That's too bad. Looks like the 15 minutes just a bit strong for us. Bit strong. Are we getting a candle high close above that? Yeah, grass, I missed an entry. What do you think, chat? Is Dogecoin about to do some crazy stuff, or is it just playing with my heart? We're still in the trade. I still think it's going down. We even bounced off resistance twice. Ship Leaders says, hit the like. Yes, everybody hit the like. Hit the like all at the same time. Do it! Alright, down 35%. I think we are going to get out of this trade. That's too bad. Is Bitcoin going up? No, it's not. What are we doing here? I don't see any hidden bullish div. Nothing. What are we doing here? Oh, now it's pulling back. When did I get in the short? Right here at 19,276. Right on this candle. As soon as I entered the short, we went up. I think it's going down on the daily chart. It's outside the Bollinger Bands, and it will chop sideways for a long time or make some movement down. I think it's going to make a movement down also. I'm just wondering when. How many likes for the giveaway? What giveaway? I'm sorry, we're for profit, not for giving away. No, I'm just kidding. Hit the like. What do I look like? Some kind of millionaire? Oh boy. It's the most free way of supporting the channel. We did not get the breakout. Huh. Dogecoin's just being strange. Just being strange now. Damn, looked good on paper. Yeah, grass is a crypto. Oh, got it. It has a couple of bearish harmonics. One had completed already on Doge too, so it's back testing in my opinion. Makes sense. Would you agree with the statement, any strategy can work if applied within its appropriate context as long as proper/accurate risk management is implemented? Yeah, technically. That's why I always say, if my method doesn't work for you, always find a method that works for you. Because there are so many methods to trading. Like, for instance, those who use harmonics. Like what Missing Stack just said. I'm not good with harmonics because Haven't figured out how to draw them, which kind of sucks. Oh well, but yeah, probably pumping because Elon made a saying that yeah he did. That's part of why. And then Trump getting the presidency, Elon's involved, and yeah, there's a whole thing behind Dogecoin right now. It's just I think Dogecoin needs to reset its 5 minute indicators here. It's not wanting to. That's my problem. But yeah, Jack, as long as you can find a plan that works for you, stick to your plan. Because, yes, with proper risk management and all of that, it should work out for you in the long run. What was that? Could check Gary Network. Once buddy. What's Gary Network? Can I find that on TradingView? What is that? But yeah, we can check that out. Looks like Doge's pulling back now. Maybe we did find the new trend line. Just have to adjust it a little bit. There we go. I think we found the new trend line. Here we are. We did it. We did it. What is this, Gary? What do you want? I think so. I don't know. I'll just be a little bit. Love you. Gary Network. Wow, would you look at that? Once I deposit money into Weeks, will my account become verified? I'm worried about being anything inside it because I'm unverified. An unverified account means you did not do KYC. You are fine with not being KYC'd. You do not have to be verified. KYC is know your customer. That's all it is. You do not have to do that. Pretty much everybody has to find their own groove like playing an instrument. That's true, Crash. Very true. My Trump coin tanked today. Make it make sense. They all did, actually. Well, buy the rumor, sell the news. Hello? We all know the saying. We all know the saying. Buy the rumor, sell the news, baby. Okay, so Gary Network. Apparently I have been here before. You dropped down once, you came to your 618, you started falling again, tried to get some bids, fell again. I don't know what's going on here, but you are at all-time lows for Gary Network. On your daily time frame, you have hidden bullish divergence. Let's go, baby. Meme coin trends move fast, bro. They do move fast. They move very fast. Then everybody will jump out of them. It's a wild ride. All right, so you do have hidden bullish divergence. You are confirming a bottom. So Gary Network does have the possibility of trading back up to this 949 level. Now we can actually mark this out as a legitimate level. Oh my goodness. That is great. So you can see how you tested it once, tested it twice, shot up, tested it a third time. Confirm the validity of this. If no KYC, I don't need to put my ID or anything to deposit and withdraw. Cody, no you do not. No you do not. And I believe the daily withdrawal limit is somewhere in the neighborhood of $200,000 on an unverified account. I feel like 200K per day is enough for you, but I don't know how many yachts you own. Yeah. Anyways, checking out the 4 hour. 4 hour is looking interesting. I don't know how you got so high so fast, but you do seem to be doing a trend reversal. You have a high and a slightly higher high. This is a very good sign. Very good sign for Gary Network. Gary Network might actually be the GOAT. Just maybe. Checking your 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, you're trying to reset your stochastic, trying to get back into neutral territory. You are above your moving averages, which is nice. It's just, gosh, this thing does not look sexy. Doesn't look sexy one bit. Looks kind of like the ugly troll. I mean, you can see exactly what it did each time. You came up, you came down to the 5-0, you came up, almost got to your 1-2-7-2. I bet you anything. This is probably a 50% retrace. Come down. Oh, just your 6-1-8. Oh no, not just the 6-1-8. But yeah, no, you look like you're doing absolutely fine on this token. Looks like it's just trying to find some footing. If it falls below 574, you want nothing to do with this token at all. You wouldn't even give it to your worst enemies. I mean, maybe your worst enemies could be like, hey, have this piece of trash. But, you know, it just, yeah. So from here, you're thinking this is rock bottom. This is the lows. You have a nice little test of a low and a back test as support. This looks good. This looks really good. I can get rid of this now because I don't think further downside will play out. So this is pretty damn solid. Percentages wise, oh my god. So for the trade setup, you could see a 41% upside, or you could possibly see a 352% upside. Those are really the two levels. Coming out to the daily, I mean, maybe you find some resistance right around 1963. Maybe. Big if there. Big if. We'll mark it out. From the low and the low. Actually, let's just touch it up to that low. Why not? So from those lows, 198. Which also, good God, that's still 194%. That's crazy, dude. That's absolutely crazy. If no KYC, I don't need to put my ID or anything to deposit with. No, you don't. No, I don't know. I think I read that already, so there's that. That's even better. Now I feel kind of not smart. Awesome. Love it. So yeah, rock bottom prices on Gary Network. Looks pretty solid. Hopefully that little bit of insight helps you out. Disclosure Crypto. Hopefully that helps you out. Hopefully you're still here. Hopefully, lots of hopes. Lots of hopes. Alright, looks like Dogecoin didn't stop us out while I was explaining that. That's positive. That's pretty positive. We're getting some wicks, you know. They're trying to send it. They're trying. They're just not doing a very good job. If this starts resetting that stochastic quickly, another reason why I would probably get out of my trade early. That would be another good reason to get out of a trade. If you're like, dang, that reset really fast. I don't want any part of that. Yeah, makes sense. This green zone would have been a great buying opportunity right there. Great buying opportunity right there, I'll tell you what. I will tell you what. Huh. I guess we're doing just fine. I'm going to drink a little more Dr. Pepper. Anybody watch Forrest Gump? Like, oh, I got to meet the president. Yeah, I'm here. By the way, thanks. No problem. Anybody see Forrest Gump? It's like, I got to meet the president. I drank a lot of Dr. Pepper. Could you imagine growing up in those times where Dr. Pepper was new? Oh, man. I had about 18 Dr. Peppers. Like, dang. Just drink a beer, man. You'll be fine. By the way, everybody, if you're new to the stream, please feel free. Hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. We are far off. Would be nice. Also, join the Discord. I know that the link has been popping up, but join the Discord. It's also in the description down below. Discord's a great place if you have any questions or about TA or want me to look at any charts for you. You can always drop a request. I'm here for it all the time. So yeah, jump in the Discord. It's a great place to be. And if you have any fire memes, we have a meme section. We don't get very many posts, but the ones we do get, I'm appreciative. I'm very appreciative. Watch Jump early. Wait, you watched Gump every day for months when you were a kid? I did too. It was on TV all the time. How much liquidity do we think came into crypto within the last 2 days? No idea. But I do know that there was like, I want to say $2 billion worth of inflows in the spot ETFs. It was absolutely crazy. Take a sneak peek at Jupiter and SIA coin. I don't know what SIA is. I know what C is. I don't know what SIA. Ton trade finally in the green. Ton going up, baby. Are you flipping accounts or growing an account? I take profits often. I don't even understand what flipping an account is. What's that? I guess always growing accounts, but always taking profits. Just spotted some hidden bullish continuation on the 1 hour for Doge. You found it on the 1 hour. How dare you say some terrible things to me? How? Where the hell did you see it? What are you talking about? What? I don't see it. Dolphin account? Whoa, what? Let's take a sneak peek at you. Okay, what dolphin account? Huh? Flipping means, for example, you deposit 500 into an account, double it, withdraw 500, repeat. Yeah, I do that pretty often. I do that really often, actually. Really freaking often. I do that. Yeah, the idea of me having over... I don't even like having over $10,000 in a trading account, honestly. So if I ever hit that 10,000 threshold, I'll take out all the money. I'll leave $100 in there and try and grow it back up to that. But I don't like having that much money in my trading accounts. So I do take it. I flip accounts often. I still think 1 hour is a bit overextended from your 50. I think we're still going down. Just tagged you in the Discord. You did. Teo, what's up? How you doing? Hi. Ichimoku. This is why I use Ichimoku. Look at the cloud. God damn it, Runner. Stop showing me this stuff. You're making me scared of my trade. You're making me scared, man. What are you telling me? Crypto trade setup? Oh, I got it. You're showing me the harmonic. Hey, yeah, we want that harmonic to play out. We really want that. What's this last one? Hold on. The last one's making me scared. I think my profit taking's a little too low. Uh-oh. We'll see how it goes. See what you mean, though. Tio, thank you so much for joining the Discord. What's up? How you doing? Poppy, I need weeks rep code. Oh. Hold on. Let me see. Where did I put it? I know I put it somewhere. Hold on. Hold on. I think it was... No, that was not it. Don't try that one. Oh, boy. The referral code is 6G2Y. I am about to drop it in the chat. The week's referral code coming into chat now. there it is. The week's referral code. Alright, I feel like I neglected someone. Hold on. We need to take a look at... I like Dr. Pepper. We all like Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper's great. Jupiter and Sia Coin. Ship leaders, I didn't forget about you. Don't you worry. Don't you frickin' worry. As I'm down 16%. Not bad. Not bad. Let's go, baby! Sorry. I was wrong. You were. You were totally wrong, bro. You were wrong. No, I'm just kidding. It's fine. It's fine. Alright. Jupiter. There we are. Jupe. Going out to your daily. We have not hit overhead resistance yet. Okay, I'm in there. Let's go, Cody! Welcome in. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. You are supporting the channel. Alright, so Jupiter, you did break out of this downtrend. Fantastic. You're above resistance. Even better. You got a daily close above it. 9978. You want to stay above that if you can. We could see price getting up to $1.17. Your daily has the room, but does it have the chutzpah? I don't know. 4 hour, it's high, just like a lot of the market, so I do believe a bit of consolidation is going to happen, but you are up sloping on this consolidation while trying to get some movement. Let's check out your 1 hour. 1 hour wants to go up. Oh my god, does it want to go up? You just reset in 2 hours. Wow. Alright, so the possibility of you testing 117.42, very high. Very high possibility. If you happen to break above and hold as support, 143 or 174 are your next targets. Very nice. Very nice. Damn, did we see what Super did in about a day and a half? No, we didn't look at Super yet. I gotta look at SAI token first. But yeah, Jupiter looking strong. Just looks like it's consolidating a little bit. You're looking for more upside. You have not hit overhead resistance. SAI? I think that's it. Sharp AI? What the fuck am I supposed to do with this? Do we have something better? Hold on. I guess Gate.io has better info? Sure. Madoge. Oh. SIA. What the hell is that? I don't know what SIA is. What is that? I can't find it. Oh, SCU. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? The ticker symbol is SCU. Okay. On your daily, this looks not great. You tested once, you tested twice. That doesn't look great. Just off the cuff, just saying, doesn't look great. Let's go ahead and drop down to your weekly. I didn't even draw lines this low because I didn't think it would fall that low. Go figure. Alrighty. You're sitting at a support / resistance based off these candle closes over here. And then you do have a little bit of support right below it. Okay, great. And we're holding that area. This is good. This is very good that we are holding it. However, I always am going to say you had a down consolidation a lot of times. If we were in a worse market, this thing's going down further. Remember that for the bear market. This thing would be toast. Continuation to the downside. Weekly stochastic, not reset. You're in neutral territory. Yeah, this thing giving me all those bearish, just, it's so bearish. But let's go out to the daily. Your daily's trying to Ew. Okay, you're in neutral territory. Stochastic's pointing straight up. You're you're fighting to take this level. I don't like it. You did get a breakout of this downtrend here. You got what the fuck? You got a nice little breakout. You might be coming in for a back test. It just ugh. Let's go to the 4 hour. Mm. Mm. I don't like it. SIA is old school. Must be real old school. So old that its legs broke on the run. I don't understand what's going on here. Cuz you're fighting this hard to break out of lowest resistance almost ever. I hello? I, and if it turns around here, I mean, are we coming down here? I don't like this. I don't like it at all. I don't like it. If you possibly get above 456 and stay above it, 5756 is the next target. If by the grace of crypto heavens you stay above this level, 8233 is the next level. You're going to be waiting for some confirmation of support. You got your confirmation back here, so it allowed you to go up here. But as soon as you took the level, you tried to hold it once, twice, fell straight through. If this turns into a failure to break down, this could be an extremely good trade. You're going to have to wait till after tomorrow to make a decision on this thing. You're going to have to wait. I can't sign off on this. If you're buying it on spot and accumulating, this is your accumulation zone. If you're trading on leverage, I would suggest don't trade it on leverage. I can't tell you what to do with your money. I can just make a suggestion. Just don't do it. Your 1 hour is telling you you're going to go up sometime soon, which is fantastic to see. But yeah, just be careful on this one. Be careful. Yeah, the daily, the weekly, and the 4 hour all look bad. So your lower time frames are really gonna have to like throw those higher time frames on its back and run with it. So I'm guessing if you do get a run, you might pitter out right here at 5756 and then come back down for a back test. That just my thoughts on how it might play out. But since this thing is so low, it also could defy all odds and shock the absolute hell out of you. So yeah, if we go back into normal market conditions, because everybody right now has rose-colored glasses on. Trump just got elected. It's amazing, but in reality, we are still sitting in what is more than likely a recession for the next 2 months. So it's like, we don't know if buyers are going to keep on buying. We don't know. It's going to die in bear? Yeah. Yeah, this thing would die in the bear market. Yeah. But it's really hard to kill off a crypto. I'll be honest. It's really hard. I mean, look at EOS. It's really hard to kill off a token. BTC going to hold support at old all-time high? I don't know, Chewy. We have an FOMC tomorrow. If at the FOMC they only cut 25 basis points, I have this odd feeling we're going to see a strong dip. Because then it's like, all right, we still have to weather the storm of 2 more months with this Biden administration before Trump can get in and start doing whatever he does. Damn, guys, thanks for making sure I didn't get out of my Doge trade, because we were in the red. Now we're positive 4%. We are going to be taking out home loans. We're going to be buying a new bicycle. It's going to be wonderful. We're back in the green, baby. Yeah, this one I'm not a big fan of. So yeah, Chewy, I think we're about to test those highs pretty soon. Hell yeah! So, going down to the 5 minute. Oh, it just set up for another leg down. Wow, what a great setup for that, too. Holy shit. So, next level, we're seeing if it's going to come down to 74,398. The more Bitcoin retraces, the better the Doge trade gets. Let's go. We're just looking for this 5%. It's no big deal. No big deal. It's 5%. I'm not asking for much out of a meme coin. Raise hell, praise Dale. Let's go, baby. 8%. We're doing it, guys. We're doing it on the eve of the FOMC. Us pulling back right now actually makes the most sense. So, this is good. Also, starting this weekend, I'm going to be doing the copy trading on weeks. So, if you guys want an opportunity at making some passive income by way of me trading, that is always an option. I'm going to be doing my best to make you guys money because I make money from you making money. So, great way to support the channel. I don't really think of Doge as a meme anymore. You know, it's a good thing you said that because I heard George, another YouTuber, great YouTuber, love watching his show, but he was talking about charting Doge doesn't really make sense. And I was like, excuse me? Because he believes charting a meme coin doesn't make sense. And I'm like, Dogecoin does, though. Dogecoin makes sense. And it's lit. Oh, my eyes. What the... Ugh. Elon in the White House, I want him to make a default all web pages are dark mode. Good God, make the internet great. Ugh. Jesus. Alright. So yeah, Dogecoin, when it's commanding a, what is it, an $8 billion, no, that's volume, holy shit, $28 billion market cap, I think TA works. I think it works. Because that is a massive market cap. Holy crap. Think about how much Doge fell. Doge at its highs was $89 billion. Shiba Inu at its highs was $27 billion last bull run. Holy crap. Shiba Inu right now is at $10 billion. Falling. Okay, cool. Just lost $1 billion right there. Looking at it. Well, damn. Some are messier than others, though. You're right. You're absolutely right. It can be done on any stuff. Yeah, it can be done anywhere. It's just, I've noticed if it's over 10 billion in market cap, it tends to be a bit more reliable. It's something about that 10 billion number. It's just hard to move it. So I'm like, oh, that's kind of cool. Barcode is the gross ones. Yeah, that's true. If it looks like a barcode, ugh. Those are difficult. Shiba was 40 billion, you thought? I thought it was only 27. Did it get to 40? I could be wrong, but that's really high. Doge trade. Just doesn't want to give us the gains, does it? We're up 7% though. We're not in the woods anymore. We are just falling gracefully. Let's check the 15. See that 15? I'm the worry I have about the 15 is we're gonna come down, we're gonna touch that 200 and then fly out of there. That's my worry. But if we're lucky, we'll just fall right below it. That'd be fantastic. I also really don't want to be in this trade overnight. Like, full transparency, if I'm in the green and this trade's still open before I go to bed, I'm going to go to bed and shut this thing out. I'm going to just close it out and look forward to trading tomorrow in full degeneracy. Yeah, that's the plan right there. I'll tell you what. But yeah, it's uncertain times that I will not leave trades open overnight. I won't. Otherwise, I won't sleep, and then it's just terrible for everybody. Why don't you set a stop in case it runs? I do have a stop. That's this top dotted line here. That's the first thing I do. Anytime I jump into a trade, I enter a stop loss. You got wrecked on ton? We'll see how it interacts with this yellow line. As I said before, if you lost that level, this yellow line should provide support. Because it was resistance. A backtest would make sense. If it continues down from that, I don't know what to tell you. People just ain't buying it. I don't know what to tell you. Okay, every once in a while I check in on my Kava holdings, and oh, it's so disappointing. It is so disappointing. I mean, look at this thing. It's so disappointing. I should not be owning it right now, but I'm just holding it. Higher lows are happening. One day, we're gonna see a spike of 200 and now 54%. One day, we're gonna see it. Can you show me where you can deposit on weeks? Yeah. So, going into weeks here, you come right here, and then you just go to deposit. Right there. So, yeah, that's where you do it. Otherwise, when you hover over your icon here and you click on total balance, it'll bring you up to all of the spot different tokens, and then you just hit deposit on whatever token you choose. So that's how you do it. Yeah, I was messing around with our other affiliate buy DeFi over here. I was messing around with this. I had an issue because I got this current reward here. It's not much, but I wanted to do a trading challenge with this reward. I hit withdraw, and it popped up with this bullshit. Complete your KYC to withdraw all rewards and receive one mystery box. It's like, I don't want a KYC. That bugs me a lot. I don't like that. So now it's like, I will use this thing to trade on the derivatives because it does have a couple tokens that Weeks does not have. Like Nero, NEI. Yeah, it has Nero ETH, which Weeks does not have. And this is one in particular I really do want to trade a lot and more in the future because I didn't set this account up just yet. But yeah, the whole wanting my KYC rubbed me the wrong way. I don't want to KYC onto anything. So yeah. What about Popcat? Didn't even look at Popcat. Let's check it out. I'm going to do KYC tomorrow on weeks to get the additional bonuses. All right. Sounds good. Sounds good. Actually, fuck. Now that we're going to have Trump, I don't think I need to worry about the KYC anymore. Holy shit. Wow, that's a big deal. I didn't really think about that. I guess maybe I'll KYC. Wow, this is gonna. We might get Binance back. Oh shit. The realization. This is crazy. Oh my god, we might actually get Binance back. Holy shit. That's a really big deal. Wow. So PopCat only goes up. All right, cool. 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 I thought BlackRock bought them. BlackRock, I don't think they bought Binance. I don't think. Did they? If they did, that's news to me. That is news to me. Damn, that was a reversal. What do you mean? Yeah. Alrighty. So this is what we got on the weekly. Let's go down to daily. Whoa. Too bad that's a lower high. Ugh, yikes. Too bad that is a lower high, meaning a downtrend could be coming. You do have hidden bearish divergence on the daily before that dip. Okay. And now it looks like you're starting a downtrend. Go figure. Go figure. You went from over my dead body, you get my KYC, to I think I will. Yeah, I just thought about it. Because I was like, we finally have a crypto-friendly president. Now we have the Senate. Gary Gensler's more than likely going to get fired. like, things are just connecting in my head, you know? So I'm like, maybe KYC won't be that bad. Also, Trump's trying to lower my taxes. That's not bad. It's not that bad. Oh boy, PopCat. I would try and go short, honestly, and I'd be looking. Oh, lines up perfectly with a back test. Wow, PopCat set up greatly for some downside. Greatly for a 36% drop. I don't know that it's gonna happen. Set up greatly. Yo, ship leaders, it's okay. It's okay. Downside happens. Downside happens. Have any of y'all ever read the book by the Japanese guy who made the candlestick chart? Don't think I did. Oh, Gary. Yeah, Gary. That turd. Yeah, probably getting fired. Thankfully. Doge poppin'. What do you mean? What? Are you looking at the 1 minute? Because it popped up from the 1 minute. It's falling again. What are we talking about? But yeah, I never read it. I never read it. I should get the audiobook. That's what I should do. Audiobooks are the way to go, man. If you drive a lot, oh my, you could learn so much while driving. Shocking. I love audiobooks. Whoever thought of an audiobook, I love them forever. They're the greatest. Alright, so PopCat, it's nice to see this, but you are getting hidden bearish divergence on the 1 hour as well, indicating a pullback. Ton hasn't moved. How did you get wrecked, Thirsty? I can't find the audiobook. Damn. No audiobook? Sucks. 15-minute popped up, then pushed back down. Yes, it did. Gotta love the volatility of profit taking. Gotta love it. Starting to try and put in a downtrend. You lost that highest level of resistance / support. I see what you mean on the 1 minute. I'm an audiobook fanboy too. I seriously, audiobooks, honestly, those help so much for me. I happen to be an audio learner as well, so I learn better when people are speaking to me. And oh man, I use audiobooks in college. I started using them in high school. I was like, this is the way to go. Yeah, I don't know how Popcat's gonna do it, but I'm expecting this thing to start falling soon. Maybe you get another little pop up to get your lower high, and then you can get this ball rolling. But yeah, Popcat, I'm seeing it falling. I don't. I noted if you break this new downtrend here, it's price discovery to the upside. Just price discovery to the upside. But you're kind of in a great spot. I would put a stop loss right above the 1.7. So if it were me, I'd put a stop loss somewhere up here at 171.98. Just because it would be like a hey, we're going to the moon, baby. But I think Popcat, a lot of profit taking looks like it's about to happen. Apparently, the guy who made the chart traded for a bazillion dollars back in the day. I thought I should check it out. I mean, it's smart to check it out. Always love to see people who do well and then read their shit. And then you find out they use the most simple method ever. And you're like, that's crazy. But one thing I've noticed about a lot of different traders out there, they will use very simple methods to make money. And I was like, you know what? I should try that too. And that is why I have my method here. It is very simple. I use fib levels with a trend line. That's it. If you really think about it. Fib levels with a trend line. My relative strength and stochastic are just telling me, hey, it's going to probably go down now. Good time to get into the trade. Like, that's all it's telling me. So, in the wise words of most people, live by the acronym of KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. Ton almost at good entry if you aren't in it. Sounds good. That Doge trade that you in, what time frame are you on? I'm on the 5 minute right now, but I'm technically trading on the 1 hour. If that makes sense. So what I did was on the 1 hour, I found from this high to this high, slightly lower high, finding resistance. I used my fib tool here based off this low and this high. And then as it started falling, it broke its supply line. So I am using this to say it's coming down here. But to get into the trade, I went down to the 5 minute and I saw the breakdown. I thought it was going to continue. It popped up, thought it was going to come down, popped up again, but we got a new demand line here after the breakdown. So sometimes I get asked the question, how did you get into such a high leverage trade for so much downside? So like for the 5%, which no, I'll do this for like this Doge trade. As soon as it comes down here, as soon as we hit it once, hit it twice, hold support, it's set up for 28% upside. As soon as I see that bullish divergence on the 5 minute and it starts uptrending, I'm going to jump into a 50x long. If I'm being honest. Bullish engulfing on the 15-minute BTC. Did it? Did it? Oh my god, BTC got a back test. Sheesh. Doesn't matter. On your 5 minute, you're getting all of your trend lines coming down. You just got a death cross. Stochastic's getting really high off 10 minutes. This thing's gonna continue going down. Your 15 minute, not bullish engulfing yet. You're just back testing your 100 simple. Maybe you get a test up here. You're more than likely gonna test this level down here. More than likely, you're not oversold yet on your 15 minute on relative strength. So I would not think that it's going to get a strong bounce right here. I'm guessing Cody trades super low leverage if he said ton didn't move. Maybe. So yeah, this could come up here, but I'm thinking it's just going to roll on over. Was bearish on BTC, but then that 15-minute bullish momentum, so I had to wait. We're going to see what happens. But if BTC gets too bullish, my Dogecoin trade is probably toast. 20x, not bad. Could I use the withdrawal feature on MargX to send SOL directly to Weeks deposit? I would think yes. Yes, you can. The problem with MargX, which MargX kind of made me mad with this, you won't get that deposit to actually, or the withdrawal to execute until like 6 in the morning. It's some weird time. They have a withdrawal window, which it's frustrating, but that's what they do. So then you could like go to sleep, wake up tomorrow, and then you'll see your coins in your other wallet. The reason why I dislike that method is because what if you needed funds now? I don't. Crypto's about right now, not tomorrow. I don't like those withdrawal windows. That bothers me. Hold on, 20x too, Cody. You must have had a better entry than me. Maybe. Maybe he waited for support. Who knows? Who knows? Check the 1 hour. Ooh. Bitcoin's 1 hour looks so good. Oh, gotcha. That's okay. Okay, that's good. It's good you don't mind. I do. Oh, Bitcoin pretty much hit this next target too. Whoa. That's wild. But yeah, you're not even in neutral territory. You're still in the bullish control zone on the 1 hour. The problem with Bitcoin right now is your hidden bearish divergence. So you're just expecting the pullback, whether it bounces around here or not. You're gonna more than likely test your previous all-time high, or you're gonna back test this level at 72753. 72753. One or the other is gonna happen. If you just test the previous all-time high, then we start going up again. Oh my god, this price should not stop until 80,000. Shouldn't stop. It should just go. But we'll see. Think it's gonna go deeper? Yeah, probably. I still think right in here is probably gonna be a really good place to catch bids. Previous all-time high and the local highs that you had, what was once resistance should be support. If we get the higher low support, off to the races. You're mad you didn't get in there sooner? The charts move smooth compared to buy DeFi? Cody, you've been in this chat for how many days now? That link has been slapping you in the face non-stop. I don't hold back on the promotion. one green candle got this thing up that high. That is amazing. That is amazing. Oh my word. So yeah, it wouldn't surprise me we get a nice little consolidation, because honestly, more people need to focus up on these charts, because everyone's just throwing money in like, oh my god, the economy suddenly is great again. Nah. Trump has some work to do when he gets into office. He has a job ahead of him, because how is it Biden's going to have the bounce back of an entire apocalypse that happened, claim that he has the most jobs ever, only to progressively lose more and more jobs every year? Like, how can you mess up that bad? Like, oh my god. Or even, oh, let's go spit in the face of everybody during Lahaina and the hurricanes, and it's like, oh, okay, you guys get 700 or 750 bucks. All right, Ukraine, you get 150 billion dollars. Like, what the fuck? What? You could rebuild a state with that. Are we serious? Oh man. Also, gosh, government employees, they went up like crazy. Sucks for all those IRS agents that got hired. Later. Make it make sense. Can't make it make sense. Can't. Some of the decisions the administration made, I was like, are you trying to piss people off? You gotta be trying. Oh my gosh. And then it was like, every time he did something shitty, he then decided to go on vacation. I'm like, what? This motherfucker. It's like, alright, guys. Fuck you, I'm gone. I'm going to get some ice cream. What? Really? Oh, man. Jasmine, I see Marjax keeps most of their crypto on a cold wallet, not on the exchange. That might actually be smart. Yeah, it's less likely they get hacked, so that could be smart. That's like Biden knowing where he actually is. I mean, he knows when he's in Delaware. He knows that much. Oh, Jasmine looks great. Oh, that daily looks terrible, but Jasmine looking good. I don't think of support you were all excited and sad. Wow, can long it from right there, so I just went for it. My FOMO kicked in. Bro, FOMO's the worst thing. Gotta be careful on that. Gotta be careful on that. And I'm one to get some crazy FOMO, especially when I start seeing. So I'll see things before they start actually happening, and then I'm like, oh no, I was too early. Ah! Damn, Lahaina got wrecked here. Yeah, Lahaina did get wrecked. Oof. So Jasmine actually looks really, really freaking good on what it did. You consolidated, you shot up. You consolidated at the same area twice. The bears tried to push you down. They tried to screw you over. And they were like, hell no, not today, bit. And they popped back up above the supply line. This is great. What you really want to see is a back test of the supply line. Hold this damn supply line. If you lose the supply line, get back to this 1773, and then we could very well see a run from this level all the way up to 3708. From where you're sitting at this very second, that is a 78% upside move. Jasmine looks really strong. Did I check super? I did not check super. Bro, 20x, but used the 50% of your account? That's what I do? Whoa. So you allow it to bleed into your account? Smart. I don't like doing that. I like to isolate them all. I get worried I'm gonna just forget. Oh, I get scared. I get really scared. Let's check out Super real fast. Super. All right. All right. Fell below your local level of support. Almost tested real support. But then you popped right back up. That is impressive. We can get rid of this supply line now because it actually doesn't matter. What we really want to see is this right here play out. Current supply line. So that's cool. Love to see that. Daily looks interesting. Should keep running. 4 hour. What do we got? What do we got? We got a test of resistance. Oof. Actually, hold on. Hold on. Let's see this real fast. Tried to break out. Ooh. So what I would be looking for, considering you tested this level of support before, if Super can come down, just get a nice little test, nice little kiss at this 119.95, that would be extremely nice. Because then you have all the fuel you could possibly need to possibly run up to 175.17, which could yield you an absolutely gorgeous 46% upside. That's a lot. This looks really good right now. We're going to see if it even falls below its moving averages. I kind of doubt it will. If it does, it would probably just be a wick. Let's go to the 1 hour. Your 1 hour is resetting right now. You're about to get to your 50 simple. This could get moving. Oh, didn't use my whole account. I had a stop. Yep. Makes sense, Thirsty. I always recommend stop losses. Stop losses are great. They're absolutely great. All right, getting into the nitty gritty here. You are starting your move to the downside. So if you're trading this right now, you're looking to find profit at this 13287 level, possibly even getting as low as, I would guess, anywhere between 131.58 and 129.41. After that, I can't tell you where this thing's going because you know what? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. You're likely to test down here though, because you just broke it and you didn't touch it. So if we're having a pullback type of day, go down and touch it. I hate stop loss. They always hit. God, it sucks when they do. It really does. That's just bear market PTSD that you have, Cody. That's all that is. Bear market PTSD right there, I'll tell you what. Oh, man. I feel like we all should have some bear market PTSD. That's why I'm not afraid to go short after we had such a great run-up. I'm not scared. We went short, 30x, baby. Also, I posted in Discord yesterday. I shorted Doge last night after I got off stream. I managed an 11x on the day yesterday. I felt so goddamn good. I almost woke up my wife to be like, "What's up? We did it!" Like, oh man, I felt good about that. I haven't done an 11x in a single day in so long. That felt great. Honestly, felt great. I know everybody's like, "Oh my god, how much did you make?" I made $1,100. Shut up. I started with 100. Shut up. I didn't go that crazy. Damn. The fuck? What is my client former client sending me at this time of night?
What are you doing? Oh, sorry. It says to spray on flat surfaces. What are you doing? Oh, sorry.
That's great. Yeah, your cast 20x long hit my stop loss while I was sick yesterday. I would be up like 800. Not bad, not bad. If I did not have the stop, makes sense, yeah. Did I hear Kava earlier? Just looked, all-time low, 25 cents. Seems like a good buy. I'm still holding it. I'm still holding it. Yeah, Chewy, technically it's in a great buying area, but we got to make sure it doesn't go any lower. It is in an area in which it could go into price discovery to the downside because we still have 2 months of Biden. Let's really focus in on that. We still have 2 months of Biden. So yes, we've enjoyed this recent little glimpse into the future of how great the bull market can be. But now we got the FOMC meeting tomorrow. Now we have to get back to reality. You know, it's the hangover. I do think we're still going to have Moonvember. I just think we can't get too far ahead. If the Fed cuts 50 basis points tomorrow, all right, back on fucking buy. But if they only go 25, it's gonna be a rough Christmas and Thanksgiving. It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough. Okay, now I know why you didn't get stopped out. That's true. Yeah, agreed. Gotta let things cool off today. Bad buy day. Yeah, just let it cool off a little bit. Also, buying into the FOMC meeting, usually it's pretty rough. Usually it gets sold off beforehand, bought into the FOMC, sold when he hits the podium, and then it buys back up when he's talking. So it'll be nice to get the projections for the future and what they plan. Find out how much he's squirming around about his job. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. Maybe the next month or two. Yeah. I'm thinking Kava could start moving up this month as long as we get some good news. If we get some good news. Depends on what color his tie is. Oh boy. I'm going to laugh if his tie is green. I'm going to laugh really hard if his tie is green. Oh my gosh. I bet there's a betting market on that. I bet you there's a betting market on that. Oh man. All right, let's check in on the Doge trade. We're up 50%. Not too bad. It could be a lot worse, but we're up 50. Your Kava holding sounds like an old loop ring holding. Bro, I have way too much Kava for my own good. I'm mad about it. I almost bought loop ring. Almost did. Yeah, loop ring, honestly, should have been used more. They should have learned what marketing was also. But no, they didn't. Do I think it's still going to have a good bull run? Yeah, because, you know, everybody thinks about the greatness from the past. When Paolo comes out for the speech, all eyes are on the tie. Purple tie, bullish. Blue tie, bearish. This is a science. Oh boy. I didn't even know that. That's crazy. Oh, Doge, don't you do this to me. Don't you do this to me. Just keep going down. What are we doing here? God damn it, Doge. Hold on there. Whoa. Okay, we're good. We're good. Oh, Jesus. I thought I saw a hidden bullish divergence. I was about to freak out. Oh, man. Dang, looks like my move of selling my spot at the top was a good idea. Looks like I will be able to buy back in cheaper and gain some crypto. Rich, yes. So it's funny. This is like the problem a lot of people have in the meme coin world is you'll see an amazing run up. And then they're like, oh my god, my account is up 100x. Yes, I'm going to be a millionaire. 2 days later, I have $20. How the fuck? Wait a minute. This was supposed to go up forever. No, stupid. If you got 100x, how many other people just got 100x? No, what? Yeah. Some people are fun. They're really fun. Speaking of meme coins, Clown World, I'm surprised. I think Clown World, I honestly was having this thought. I was like, I think Clown World would pump if Kamala wins. So I was hedging the election on Clown World. Peanut, God, just died. Again. Third time. Oh, gosh. You're like, yeah, we're going. We're doing something. Oops. Yeah, we're doing it. Nope. Oh, this peanut token. It's so sad. Oh, well. Oh, well. This trade is taking a lot longer than I expected. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It's taking a lot longer than expected. 55% on the trade, not too bad. Up $168. I can officially buy a tank of gas and a Happy Meal. Happy about that. Thought that was a reversal for a second. What in the world? Nah. On a meme coin? No, it's just people selling. That's all it is. Nobody actually looks at the chart when they sell. They look at the what their coins are worth, and then they sell. They're like, number higher than when I got in, sell. Alright, Dogecoin's about to get into complete oversold territory on the 5-minute. That's a little bit of a worry, but I think the 1 hour is what's saving the trade. Crypto Rover bet 100K on Trump. Yeah, I did see that on X. I saw that, and he was like, "Oh, Trump wins. I'm gonna make." I think it was like 172,000 or some nonsense. Which I was like, "How are you even making? What's the spread on that? That's crazy. Who thought that Trump was gonna lose?" You should have bet that. Looking back, yeah. Yo, what's up, Zero Chris? How you doing? I'm wondering if we're gonna catch a strong bounce here. I might have to get out of my trade if that happens. Bitcoin's currently down at 74.4. I would much prefer if we lost it, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. You're good? Very nice, Chris. Very nice. Love to hear it. We're still up 55%. It's not great, considering the leverage. I'm starting to feel like we're going to catch a bounce. Also, I feel like I need to redraw this to here, because that's our new resistance. Got your high, your second high before it rolled down. Yep, that's the second resistance there. Get rid of that. Just cleaning up the chart. Just clean it up. Because also, what's still in play is this. And if we do start catching bids here, we're primed for an absolute gorgeous run up of 25%. Ton update, please. Let's go ahead and check it out. Ton lost the yellow line. Wow. That is crazy. Still going down. You almost reset your stochastic on the 1 hour. You have your 50 simple sitting at 4724. This Bitcoin pullback's being really harsh on the altcoins. We can get rid of that yellow level because officially it don't matter. Looks like we are finding some support off these candle low closes here. So as long as we can maintain that, we might be okay on ton. Just maybe. Just maybe. 'Cause maybe. Oof. Losing your 50, not a good look. Not a good look. But it does look like Ton's starting to catch some bids. Makes me a little worried about the Doge trade. Yeah, Doge catching bids too. Oh shit. Wait, are we really catching bids right now? Fuck. So yeah, if Ton can hold that level that it's sitting at, you're golden for upside. Just needs to hold. Dogecoin needs to finish going down. I mean, on the flip side, this could be really good for the higher low argument. Could be really good for that higher low argument. It's just really terrible for my trade. It's really bad for the trade. Well, this would say that we'd go down lower. And that's in my green area. So who knows? Maybe Doge is actually going to come all the way down here to 17,823. Who knows? Well, I sure don't. Because I don't have a crystal ball. Oh, boy. Am I really tired? It's... Oh, shit. It's almost 11. Oh, that stupid 5 minute. I swear. Was watching Vamanchu tutorials and this showed up in your recommended. Oh, really? Wow, I'm getting in people's recommended? I love it. Well, thank you for clicking on the stream. If you have any requests for any charts, feel free to ask. That's kind of what we do here. I'm live trading also. So yeah. Dude, I think Peanut is going to go crazy. Which Peanut, though? Because this is the OG Peanut that is down at 372 unless they get an exchange listing. If they get that exchange listing, alright, sure. I don't think the team is actually wanting to go that far. They seem pretty damn lazy. I don't know. But if you're talking about the other Peanut token, yeah, probably. Can I ask for a Grass USDT chart? I ain't much new coin. Better said new shit coin. Yeah, we can check out Grass. No problem. Is it on an exchange? It is on an exchange. Okay. Let's check it out on Gate.io. I feel like that's where I'll get the most info. Not necessarily the best volume. Yeah, it's new. It's definitely new. Guess we'll try and figure out a level here. Big run up. Big run up. Are there futures on this? The one I'm talking about is listed already on multiple. Oh, yeah. That's probably going to go crazy. The one I have, God, they're lazy. Oh, the Dogecoin trade just pooping on our soul. Down to 24%. Dang, too bad. Too bad. So right now you are showing hidden bearish divergence on Grass. You're expecting a pullback, of course. Yeah, it's on Buy DeFi. No shot. It's already on Buy DeFi. Peanut? That's crazy. That's actually crazy. Yeah, the hidden bearish divergence, that's kind of a problem for you. On your 1 hour, you do have a downtrend. We're going to see if it actually maintains below it. So you can mark this out right here. Mark that bad boy out. So if it does come up, hit this. You're expecting it to continue to the downside. You do have a little weird level of sort of kind of support right there. But Yeah, so we could be seeing this thing coming down anywhere between 21 to 26%. And if it continues its descent, you have support down here, which would be a 38% downside. Um, Full transparency on this one, though, it is a meme coin, so it does not have to abide by the TA rules. These smaller coins, unless there's futures, it's very hard for these to actually like go the way TA says. It could go way lower. I mean, when I say way lower, I mean like here's your entry price at 63 cents. It could trade as low as 20 cents. Like it could go really low. So so yeah, either way, I'm seeing a bit of a pullback happening, but on your 1 hour, things are resetting fast. So this could actually just pick up and rally even further. So traditional TA would say a pullback is coming, but Meme Coinomics says go check their Telegram. Could be going to the moon. Yeah. So it's new. So that peanut token actually got listed on Buy DeFi. That is crazy. I wonder. No. Checking the spot. Spot trading. Hello? Hello? P. It's not here. Roger. Yeah. Well, I don't know where it's at on Buy DeFi. Are they planning on getting listed? Is that what it is? Oh, you're talking about grass. Oh. Shit. You can leverage this on Buy DeFi. Where's my option of left? There it is. We isolate it. Number one. Are you fucking kidding me? You can go 50x on this thing? Oh my god. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. You can go 50x on this thing. So now, since I know there's leverage, yeah, you're consolidating. Oh boy. So we can actually figure out where this thing could possibly go. You're gonna wait for a back test somewhere in here. You're gonna want to see this thing keep trending up till you get into this little green zone. And then you might be able to see an absolutely great fall. Something like a 16%. Wow! And that could happen in an afternoon. Oh, man. And some people are like, why do you like trading meme coins? Because this crazy nonsense can happen. It's great. It's awesome. Love it. That's wild. Oh, man. Buy DeFi. That's pretty nice. Pretty nice, buy DeFi. It's pretty nice. Absolutely lovely. Lovely. Alright. Alrighty. I had no idea that you could leverage it on Buy DeFi. Can you do it here too? You can do it here too? Oh my god. Alright, so Buy DeFi was 50x. What do you think Weeks is going to be? Yes, I can leverage Goat. Goat ruined me one day though. I put in a short and then it went up 50%. I was like, wow. That is insane. Alright, so let's see. 100x for grass? Wow. That's shocking. 100x? Jeez. 100x? Jesus. I really do need to make a watch list for all of the week stuff because I honestly have no idea what I could leverage. This thing is crazy. How many things you could leverage trade. BRC20 tokens? AI tokens? Wow. Web3? I can trade Char? Oh my god. Arbitrum? What do you... All of those are on Arbitrum? Are we serious? You've been trading grass for a few days? Oh my goodness. Layer 2s? Immutable X is a layer 2? Metaverse. What we got here? That's awesome. It's broken up into categories. It kind of sucks what I just did there. Shit. Yeah, we got the Metaverse. YGG's in there. GMT. Theta. Flow. Proof of work. Not bad. Not bad. These are all NFT plays? YGG's in there too? Alice? NFTs? Wouldn't equate Alice with NFTs. That's cool. You could probably get over 200 tokens to leverage trade. Yeah, probably. What is this 5-minute doing? Are we resetting fast? Okay, we are. Thank you. Thank you, Doge. Oh my god. I thought Doge was trying to be mean again. That's cool. Alright, well. We're not putting in any hidden bullish divergence, which makes me happy. We should continue to the downside. That's good. That's very good. This 1 hour is what's worrying me, though. This 1 hour legitimately has me shaking because of how close we are to the 50 simple. If we weren't so close to that 50 simple and we were still super overextended, I would be like, no problem. We're going to get the full move. We're pretty damn close to it. And we're catching bids already. We have people front running this thing. So, oh man. Dogecoin might actually start going up in a very decent way. It just might. Our saving grace is our 4 hour. 4 hour, it's got a lot of work to do to reset. Got a lot of work to do. But this 4 hour closes in 55 minutes. Oh boy. Oh boy. Alrighty. Well, the 5 minute looks like it's ready to roll over again. That makes me happy. Brings me joy, even. Just maybe I'll be getting out of this trade early because I'm going to go to bed soon. So, we got into our little green area. We're coming down. Maybe we just take profit right here at 18,675. Hit the reverse button on the Doge trade. What are you talking about, reverse? I ain't doing that. I ain't doing that. Your position will be closed at market price and open the same amount in the opposite direction. If the funds are not in... Oh my god, no. I'm not doing that. What the... I'm leaving the short alive, bro. That is cool. They have a reverse button though. That I haven't seen that on any other exchange, so that's pretty cool. Okay. Well, I'm going to be watching this a little bit, but I'm going to end stream. So, hopefully you guys have a wonderful evening. Hopefully you sleep well. Anybody who's new, please join the Discord. It's a great place to be. Stay in touch. Also get notified every single time I go live. Other than that, wish you all the best of luck in your trades. Keep those stop losses tight. Um, that's tits. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, everyone be ready for a volatile day tomorrow, but I'm thinking Friday and into the weekend, we should be able to get our full degen on. So hopefully you guys are ready for the fireworks that are about to happen. Thank you all for being here. I appreciate the hell out of each and every one of you. I will catch you in the next stream tomorrow night where we will sit here and talk about what Jerome Powell said. Well, other than that, I'm getting on out of here. Good night, everybody. Peace. Deuces. Stop losses tight. Be good. I hate the reverse button. Always puts in small reverse trade. Yeah, probably. Y'all have a good night. Everybody have a good night. All of y'all. I'll catch you later. Take it easy, everybody.